Hey guys, and happy Sunday. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how leave-in conditioners are not the same as moisturizers. And the reason why I say that is because I scratched the bald spots in my hair this week because I didn't use my normal moisturizer, my summer moisturizer. Why am I stuttering? I did not use my summer moisturizer last week. All I did was use a leave-in conditioner and some regular hair grease. Lo and behold, I kept scratching and scratching, and I said, you better stop before you scratch a bald spot, and it's too late. I did a cold wash today, and I conditioned my hair, and I saw the bald spot, guys. Where is it? Right? I can't see it. But I think it's like right here. Is that it? Right there, guys. And normally when I don't have moisturizer in my hair, my scalp itches even more because my hair is dry. Moisturizer is supposed to keep your hair moist. And when your hair is dry and your scalp is dry, it tends to itch and you end up having bald spots if you continue to scratch. So today, I went out and I got my favorite moisturizer, which is my Emotions Nourishing Care moisturizer. They have it in a new bottle. It took me a while to find it because I'm like, where's my big bottle that I normally get? And yeah, they don't really sell it in the big bottle with the pump on it. I'm gonna see if I can find it online, or maybe I can find it somewhere else. But I went out today and got me some more of my favorite Nourishing Care weightless daily oil moisturizer with shea butter and coconut and olive oils. I don't really know coconut been in there. They got some new stuff. They got some new juice, and I had to go get me some more juice. So today I did a cold wash, conditioned it, and I used the leave-in conditioner and some regular hair grease, and I went out and got my stuff. So is leave-in conditioner a moisturizer? It can be moisturizing, but it doesn't have that, I don't know, it doesn't have a consistency like the regular traditional moisturizer. So to me, it's not just like a moisturizer. It can be used similar to one, but it's not just like one. Oh, it smells so good. It smells different. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just go over each little twist and juice my hair back up one by one. So it's a beautiful day. I'm in my backyard. It's Sunday and I got all my chores done today. Not all of them, but I got a lot of stuff done. I'm starting to get into a rhythm of taking care of my house a little bit better and trying to get my YouTube together, and same stuff I was telling you guys about last week on my last video. Just trying to get myself together because I want to start posting more videos and doing some stuff. So I'm just going to do this, do each twist one by one. I need to go like this because my twists are going that way, so I need to apply my moisturizer on the same way my twists are. Now I got this. You probably say, what is that, Nezi? This is one flat twist going to the side, and I twisted it in with another twist. Let's just take it down. Everybody is out today. As I'm getting out, I'm gonna get my juice. I can't risk having another bald spot. I knew I kind of was gonna have one, but I didn't know it was gonna be that big just in 1 week. And I haven't had a bald spot in my hair in my scalp in so long because I've been really staying on top of keeping my hair moisturized. Whew. So the my air conditioning unit just kicked back on. I know my neighbors are like, what is that crazy woman doing outside messing with her hair? And what is that thing she talking to? I'm talking to my camera. That's what I'm talking to. So while I wake up this morning, I'm relaxing in my bed. It's around 6 a.m. and I hear put some more right here. There you go. I hear some alarm going off, like an alarm to a car, and a constant blowing, like bum, bum, bum. So I had put the television on mute so I can hear. I said, is that my car? What is that constant sound? So finally, I got up out of my bed to go see what it was. Guys, you would not believe what I saw. I was like, oh my God, why did the repo man come and repossess my neighbor's car? He did it real slow too. He was driving the street real slow with the car going bum, bum, bum on the back of his truck. I said, okay, what a way to start a Sunday. Wake up and don't see your car outside. I said, what a way to start the day. It is so noisy, guys. I'm sorry if it's too noisy, but I just wanted to do this video right quick. I want to get into the habit of posting my videos on Sundays like I used to. Tired of being out of sync with my stuff. Woo! Ah! Ooh, my hair is just soaking this up. It's still kind of damp, but not as damp as it was. So I should be nice and juiced up. And that. And what else I want to tell you guys? I did a co-wash today too, like I said. And I was actually going to record another video with the co-wash of my hair and stuff. Well, no, not really. I was going to record another video, and I didn't like the way the footage looked, so I deleted it and decided to just do this video instead. So guys, keep your hair moisturized to prevent breakage and bald spots, because if you don't keep your hair moisturized, you may scratch and give yourself bald spots. My crown is always fat. My hair is fat and big in the crown area versus the rest of my hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple little video. I wanted to get something out today because I need to, like I said, I need to get back in the mountain. Yeah. What is all that noise, little girl? What is that noise? You feel good today? It's Saturday. It's a few days after your teeth surgery. Oh yeah, you feel good today. You biting? You give me that. Yeah. Where are you going with this soda bottle, girl? Where are you going with this soda bottle? You wanna go outside with the bottle? Go get it. Go get it. Hey. You wanna take it outside? Get the ball. Get that ball. You gonna take it outside? Okay. Okay. All right.